Hi everyone! So I hope you guys have been doing well. I was gone for 3 weeks on vacation, and then when I got back I got really sick. I didn't have a voice for about a week. It's still kind of raspy and cuts in and out. I can't talk very long because then I start coughing and choking, but I went out today because I had to, and I decided to stop at the Hobby Lobby since I had a minute before I had to go get my dad, and I got really lucky that the girl was in the clearance section marking things down even lower. So you can see that this was the normal price back here. I think she said it was like $5.99, and then this is the price on top. There's like another one right there on the bottom, so they had marked it down, and then this was like the final price right there. So this is a 8x11 pack at 50 sheets for $1.60. I did start opening these because I did try to record this, and then there was no audio. I don't know what's going on with my phone. If you guys saw when I was on my cruise, I tried uploading a video and they all came out with no audio. I thought it was because I was out of the country, but apparently it's my phone. So here we go again. Let's see. We have like this bright floral right here. Then we have pastel floral. This one I am so obsessed with. Like, look at how gorgeous this is. This is so my style right here. It's girly, but not overly pink, not overly girly. These flowers are absolutely gorgeous. I love that they're not all pink. We do have red in here. We do have this darker pink and the light pink, but I'm just obsessed with this paper right there. These are 59 cents. Some of them are 69 cents. And these you can actually find in the regular crafting section at Hobby Lobby where all the open stock paper is. So there's this like heart, little like cheetah print. And then we do have this watercolor hearts right here. So 50 sheets of paper for $1.60 is an incredible deal. I hope your stores are doing this. I don't know if it's everywhere, but I mean, it doesn't hurt if you're in the area to stop and check it out. So again, this is the same thing. This one was the top one. I didn't realize that there would be like the same repeat paper in the packs, so I saw this one on top, so then I grabbed this one because I was like, oh, Valentine's Day, I need that, I need to stock up. And then you'll see that there are repeats in here. So this is a blue like cheetah print. There is this pastel blue right here. I think this might be for baby showers, because in one of the other packs there's like little baby prints in there. And then see, this one has like pastel bubbles. And then there's this pink. I'm going to probably use these pastels for Easter. I think it'd be really cute. I did get another paper pad that has Easter in it that I specifically got because I could see the Easter in there. So you can see the blue cheetah was in this pack, but I grabbed this one because this one was the one on top. Now all of these 8x11s are all $1.59. So this one we have tie-dye. Then we have polka dot pink. I love this green so much. This is like so my vibe right here, that it's like watercolored green. I think that's really nice. And then she is gorgeous. I don't know what I would personally use her for, but I think she's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna keep a couple pieces for myself just to have in my stash. And then with some of this extra stuff, I want to make junk journals. That's why I bought so many of these because I see so many people making junk journals, and I just think that they're absolutely gorgeous, and I want to give it a go. So I figured, why not? If I get 50 sheets of paper for only $1.60, why not pick these up to make some junk journals? And then it doesn't cost me a lot. See, this one I think was the only one that I had with this. It's white with the pink polka dots. I think that was the only pack. And then here's that beautiful like bubble. So I mean, I figured for $1.60 I can definitely make some little junk journal inserts out of these. You know, it's not gonna break the bank because we all know that everything in the world is getting so much more expensive, including crafting. And honestly, crafting is what keeps me sane and is my me time. So yeah, I really want to get into junk journals. I figured this would be a good way for me to even test how I am at like sewing the junk journal together. Okay, I just saw bunnies. I thought I did. I didn't even notice this the first time I flipped through this. This is great because, like I said, I did get some paper specifically because it was Easter themed. So I didn't even realize that I had missed a couple of sheets in here. So that's good to know that they are all not the same. So like, see, this one is like a big stack of this like cheetah print, but those bunnies, there was only like 2 sheets stuck in there. So that's good that I need to go through and be more careful when I'm going through these. So when I'm done with this video, I am going to be sorting these all out. I'm like, obviously I'm going to stick all the 4th of July ones in one pack. I'm going to be sticking all of the, look at that greenery. And there's 2 different in here. See, really nice. I'm going to be sticking them by like theme. So I'm going to do all the Valentine's Day in one, all the Easter in one, and just go ahead and, you know, sort it all out and separate it. That way I could get a little bit more organized. I've been really trying to organize my stash. This one I love. Like I said, I got a ton of 4th of July and I am not mad about it. I think it's going to be so amazing. I definitely want to do like some 4th of July, like I Love America type journals. I think that'd be really, really nice. Especially with like, you know, there's so much flags and like tie-dye and just this like, is this pattern, you know, like the little like checkerboard pattern there. Not checkerboard, but you know what I mean. See, I even got this one. My crafty bestie, she makes scrapbooks all the time. So I really want to make some scrapbooks. Oh, see, look, this one I had that baby. I think those pastels might be for baby showers. This is rainbow. I'm going to put this with my St. Patrick's Day stuff. I think that would be really nice to have in there. So I'm going to ask my crafty bestie, you know, if she wants any of this 4th of July paper, because she does her scrapbooks all the time and they are just absolutely amazing. So when I saw like these 2 packs with the 4th of July themes, even this one right here, I was like, oh yeah, I can get more than enough that I have for me. I can share with her. You know, I can make some junk journals, but I didn't realize that I'd be getting so much 4th of July paper because these weren't open in the store. I opened them once I got home. So there's like that bold flower pattern. There's the pastel. Like I said, this is gonna be great for like Easter time. Like, look at these hearts paper. Oh my gosh, I love these. I wish these were in foil. I think they would be so pretty if they were foiled. Oops, I'm like dropping stuff on my desk. Oh, let me see. Oh, there's the watercolored hearts. So yes, I cannot wait to like really go through these, separate everything out. This paper pack is 12 by 12. So this one was $2.39. Now I thought there was gonna be a lot of this like honeycomb pattern in here, and sadly there's only one. And then it's this floral right here, which I think I might have even got from like a wedding paper pack before. And then like, look, I don't know if you can see, but this says Mr. and Mrs. So 6 sheets are Mr. and Mrs. and then 2 are of this silver and black. So I don't really know what I'm going to be doing with the wedding, sorry, with the wedding paper. I don't know anybody getting married. I don't plan on getting married anytime soon. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that. This paper pack I got specifically for this right here. I love this. It's 12 by 12s and it is $2.39, and this one has 50 sheets in it, where this one was only 10 sheets. Cause that bee really wants to get in the video. So I love this one. So there's several of those, and then there's this like wild sunflower one with the pink in there and a lot of orange. And then I had some more 4th of July, and then we had this floral back here, and we have some of this like pink one. I think that might be it. Yeah, so that's what was in that one. Let me move some of these out of the way. And then this one was one pack right here. So I got all this pink glitter. Again, this was only what, $2.39. So I got this one, and then this like wild one right here. Like, look at that glitter. It's got like yellow, orange, purple, pink, white, blue, light blue. So just kind of like a wild little glitter paper. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Now these originally at Hobby Lobby, are $1.99. And then when you got them on sale, they come out to $1.19. So to be able to get a 10-pack for $2.40 is an amazing deal. Then the next one is this one with that silver and black. So hello Halloween, I'm all set. And then there's this red glittery one. So I figured I could use this for the base of some of my projects for Valentine's Day. And then the second pack I got was exactly the same. It was not any different. So that holiday paper for Valentine's Day or Christmas, actually. Yeah, I could use it for Christmas too. And then this silver one that I figured is Halloween. So that's like, I think it might be like 90% off paper. I don't know. I'm going to have to go do the math on that. No, 90% off would have been like 60 cents. So maybe it's like 75% off. So super good deal. You know, check out your store. Maybe they're doing it. Maybe they're not. I have no idea. You know, I just got lucky. I do want to go check out another store. I would love to get some more 12 by 12 paper. But yeah, I've missed chatting with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to get back to making videos on a regular again. I've really missed chatting with you guys. I'm so bummed that I got sick. I think it's stress, honestly, more than anything. But yeah, I can't wait to be back to 100%. And I have a ton of videos I need to record for you guys. I got 90% off clearance at Hobby Lobby, and I got 50% off clearance at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has their Christmas stuff for 50% off. They also have Valentine's Day and Easter already, you guys. Can you believe it? Like, oh my gosh, I was so excited when I found it. I found some really good stuff in there, so I need to record those videos too, but that might have to wait until tomorrow. I'm kind of like really pooped out. Like I have enough energy just to do enough, and then I come home and I need to take a nap, and then it's time for me to get up and like cook dinner, and then it's time for me to go back to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.